Forest Department की मीटिंग मखादा हुमफुतरा तरुक सुबा वन महोत्सव सेलिब्रेशन 2025 के ग्रांड फिनाले स्टेट असिदसु पांगथोखरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी की एक पेड़ मां के नाम थौरांग असी यामना क्रिएटिव ओइबा अमदी विजनरी आइडिया ने थौरांग असिगे मखादा उ थाबा खक्ता नतना थारिबा उसिंग अदुबु ngaksenba amadi mapu oibage wakhalolama miyamda piba ngamle haina governor Ajay Kumar Vallan phongdokre palace compound da leiba city convention center da pangthokhiba grand finale thauramadu governor Vallan makha taraduna Manipur asi umang wamang marang kaina leiba mafam ama oiraga so chahi khara asida climate change umang paktakna kokthokpa Chingda Jum cultivation tauriba asina lamdam asigi ecological balance sa chauna chaitheng piba haurakle khudong chadaba sing asidagi kananaba amata ngairaba pambai di u thabana oigani u thaduna akoibagi fibam kanba ase government khaktagi thaudangni khanbigano aikhoi pumbagi thaudangni khanna punna changsin minaba changi haina phongdokhe thoramaduga mari leinana governor na tongan ba district ki mahiroi singda u chara kaya amasu yenthokhe loinana van mahotsav thoramga mari leinana chayol asida pangtho Kiba tongan ba competition singi ahen athoi tarakpa mahairoi singda manapi ba state asigi umang singda chakhiba lamai muthatna bhotna bada achoba thaudang laukhiba lanai miyo amadi organization singda sakhang chesu khutsinakhe thoramadu da PCCF Manipur Anurag Vajpayee additional PCCF Sorifi Vashum Advocate General Manipur Leninism DM University की Vice Chancellor Professor W Chan Babu yauna tongan ba department ki makok thongba official mahiroi amadi tongan ba hiramda mai paklaba miyo kyana sarukya
So let's remind ourselves of words of Amrita Devi Bishnoi, who said, if a tree is saved, even at the cost of one's head, it is worth it. The very spirit in what inspired the creation of Van Mahotsav, festival of trees and celebration of life. So that's how a tree develops forest. It nurtures Mother Earth and which sustains life. Forests are our shields against climate change. They replenish our water, purify our air, heal our soul, and house our wildlife, offer us food, medicine, and materials. Most importantly, they remind us of our roots, our connection to the land, and to our culture and each other. So we need to protect these, save these, and utilize these in a scientific manner.